SB19's impact in Japan is becoming impossible to ignore. Tower Records Shibuya had extended the Wakas at Simula pop-up store due to overwhelming demand, while Sony Music Japan even implemented purchase limits on fan-meet merchandise because items were selling out so quickly. This isn't just a fleeting trend or a one-hit viral moment. The demand is real and so is the curiosity. Japanese locals aren't just discovering SB19, they're taking the time to explore their discography, learn about the group, and support them beyond a single performance. Many who witnessed their SS stage even went on to attend the fan meet afterward. What's even more impressive is the feedback coming from casual attendees. Many expressed how amazed they were by SB19 stage presence, calling them incredibly performers, outstanding dancers, and powerhouse vocalists. They left the venue in awe, impressed not only by the group's talent but also by the energy and passion they brought to the stage. That kind of response doesn't happen by accident. It's the result of years of hard work, exceptional talent, and music that genuinely connects with people. SB19's growth in Japan is surreal to witness, and it's clear that their influence continues to expand for beyond the stage. At ito po ang pruweba kung paano nagkaroon ng notice regarding merchandise purchase restrictions. Due to great popularity, merchandise sales, the venue will be limited to one item per person. Sale period, pre-opening early sale 15 to 7:30, available for purchase even without a ticket. Post-opening sales 18 until event and available for purchase only with a ticket. SB19, due to popular demand, extended until Sunday, August 23rd at 8 p.m. Ito po yung mga merch kasi marami po ang doble-doble o triple yung kanila nga pong binibili. So, ang iba pong mga Japanese, hindi na po sila nakapurchase. Kaya naman nilimit po ang ilan nito nga pong nakaraang kanilang fan meet sa isa lamang po. So, yung iba siguro gusto nilang makumpleto ang buong SB19. Kaya naman nagkakanda ubusan po talaga. So, hindi na nga madidinay kung gaano katindi ang laki na lawak ng narating ng SB19 na sa Japan matindi na yung pangalan na binuo nila at hindi na nga po ito pwedeng kumbaga ay hilahin pa pababa. Masyado na po ang popularity ng SB19 pero ang maganda po doon nananatili po silang humble at tila hindi nila napapansin yung ganung kasikatan nila because of their feet still on the ground. At yan ang ating Showbiz Snap update. Images are all credited to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Snap.